It's February the 20th, 2022, and while I was doing the update on the Redland Middle School, I thought I would just fly on over to the Coventry subdivision and give an update on them as well. As you can see in the center of the screen there are several houses that are under construction and several lots that are being developed. The subdivision is coming on rather nicely. It looks like they've developed several more lots there, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, to add to the already existing lots that they have. It's going to be quite an addition to the Emerald Mountain community. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching.